Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the environment and making the first connection. Install MySQL 8.0 and open a secure shell or terminal. Create a dedicated user with only the privileges you need, and create the database specifying UTF-8 MB for charset so emojis and multi-byte text work. Once done, connect using MySQL UuserP database. Make sure to use host restrictions and strong passwords for safety. This gets you into the interactive prompt and ready to run SQL. You now define schema and perform middle-level operations. Create tables with primary keys, indexes, and appropriate column types to match queries. Use transactions so you can commit or roll back. This protects integrity when multiple statements run. Add foreign keys to enforce relationships, but monitor cascading effects. For repeated inserts, use prepared statements or bulk load data in file for speed. Once structured, analyze explain plans and add indexes where needed to reduce full table scans. You finish by handling maintenance and final recovery steps. Schedule regular backups with Mysql dump or binary log-based replication and verify restores on a test system. This ensures recoverability. Monitor slow query log and performance schema to find bottlenecks and rotate logs to avoid disk full issues. If something goes wrong, check the MySQL error log first, run Mysql check to inspect tables, and restore the latest verified backup. This sequence minimizes downtime and gets you back to a healthy database.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.